Hey guys, so if you thought that the 2019 smartphone madness is over, you were wrong. Out comes the world's first 4D surround display smartphone. This is called Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha. Everyone was expecting Xiaomi to unveil the Mi Mix 4, but they shocked us all with this crazy madness. If you thought that the curved design with the waterfall screen was the end, you were again wrong, because this is the further direction and Xiaomi is the first one to go for it. So this phone is rocking a 6-inch AMOLED panel with an astonishing 180.6% screen to body ratio, and not only that, on top of all this madness, it's having a 90Hz refresh rate, something Apple and Samsung both couldn't do this year with their normal high quality displays, and Xiaomi is out here doing that with this crazy 4D surround wraparound display thingy. I have to say guys, it looks really incredible. And about the palm rejection thing, these smartphones are not dumb. These companies are not dumb. They have thought the whole process, and basically the palm rejection on this phone is pretty good. You don't have to worry about that kind of thing. It will intelligently sort that out. The display goes all the way on the back, and if you look at the whole design, it almost feels like a Huawei Mate X but without the fold, and it's actually going to compete against the Galaxy Fold and the Mate X at the price point of $3,000. It's actually a lot expensive. It's actually more expensive than both of those two phones coming. Display is not the only crazy thing about this phone. It's actually the first smartphone to come with 108 megapixel camera. You guys remember Samsung announced this 100 megapixel camera setup about a month ago. I made a video on that. That camera sensor is inside this phone. It's gonna be the first time we'll see that Samsung madness in action. Xiaomi has collaborated with Samsung closely with the 64 megapixel sensor and with this one as well, so we'll see how well it's gonna go. You'll be able to take crazy high resolution photos as well as some pretty nice low light photography. Other than the main monster 108 megapixel camera, you also get a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter which has a 117-degree field of view. It's also rocking the 12 megapixel zoom camera with 2x optical zoom, which also goes up to 8 times with hybrid zoom, so you do get a little bit more zoom than your traditional 2x optical zoom smartphone. As for the release date, it's coming towards the end of December, so it's gonna be really exciting to get hands-on on this phone. It's also rocking 5G and Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is the latest Qualcomm chip, so you're gonna get top of the line performance out of this beast. It's also using some high quality materials like titanium alloy frame and ceramic back strip. It has those high quality materials which of course will increase the price as well. It's got UFS 3.0 storage as well, 4050 mAh battery with 40 watts of fast charging. Guys, we are moving towards some crazy smartphone era. Next year will be even crazy because we're gonna see more of these phones with this 4D surround display, but the Mi Mix Alpha is the first one to have it, and it's coming in December for a near $3,000 price. If you're actually thinking about buying something like this, friendly advice, don't drop it. There will be some kind of case from Xiaomi to cover this thing. Again, we'll see more on that. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited for something like this, or do you think that it is a dumb idea? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.